What's up guys? Today I'm gonna be playing Fishing Clash. Oh yeah. Bro, this is not the first time I've been playing this game, bro. I'm literally level 47. I'm not lying. I'm not kidding, dude. Seriously. I'm not kidding. Seriously, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding, dude. Alright. So okay. Oh, I gotta lower the volume. It's but do I know how to speak? It's bursting my eardrums, dude. Why? Alright. And I'm in Loch Ness, alright? I am in the place Loch Ness in this game. This is a silver salmon skin, huh? It has to be new, dude. I've never got that. I'm level 48, by the way. Alright. Release. Wait, no. I wanna go to a blue. Wait, no. Not this place. I've got none. What do I do? I got none. Oh. He's low, I'm high. Hey. He's low, I'm high. Hey. Okay. I'm really good at this game. At least I think. Okay, maybe I'm really good at this game. Barbell. What is a barbell? I don't know. Plus, I don't care. I don't know. I got. Anyways, he's losing, right? I'm literally at 2-1-1-1. Shall I put lol? Lol. That's kind of funny. More. LOL. I like that voice. LOL. He's crying, dude. Thank you. Because for nothing. What? Wait. What did I say? Thank you. Wait. Why did I say thank you, bro? Okay, I'm winning. Tough luck for losing. And I'm sorry for saying that. Did I win? Yay. Wait. Open now, dude. I don't want to wait for 5 years. What a wow. What a wow. What is that? Okay, that is not wow. I have a clan. How many? Okay. How many people are there in my clan? Yo, there are many people. 22 out of 40. I'm going to say 50. 22 out of 50. Okay. Who's the boss player? I'm the leader. I'm Arman Plays. Yeah. My name is this. Alright. Well, I want to do a duel. Aram PC, whatever that is. No, I can't fish. Even though I'll catch one fish and I'm gonna leave. And if I release, there will be nothing. I'm gonna totally lose. Yeah, thank you, and I want to give up. Bro, no way I'm winning, bro. How is that even possible? Yeah, anyways, I'm going for a duel again. I didn't come prepared. Okay, maybe I did. Apex Angela. Wait, have I seen him? How fast with him? Wait. Give me the feelings of mine, dude. Okay, well that went well. Bro, I usually play donkey, drunky, hunky. I'm playing good. Absolutely good. Okay, maybe he passed me on the elephant group, but I don't care. I'm winning. Literally, look, I'm winning. It literally says that I'm winning. Eight. LOL. I would like to say that, bro. Can I say that again? No? Yes? Maybe. So I'm gonna say LOL. So is he gonna give up or he's not giving up? I like that of him. Even though I won, I don't like him that much. Wait, wow. What a wow. This is a wow. But where is it? Where is it? Spotted gar. It's a garlic gar. Loch Ness? No. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna shoot this guy out of his face, dude. Okay. Okay, maybe let's not get too rushed. 10,000? 19,000? Alright, I like this one. I like to go Lake. Nah, I don't like Lake Tower that much. Okay, this is Tawi? Sacramento Cup. Bro, I don't know how to pronounce in this place, bro. Okay, obviously I easily passed him. Oh man, 10, 6. I could have got one golden shiner minnow. I don't know how to pronounce and why in the world am I in this game. I keep getting other than this fish, dude. If I again get the same thing, I'm gonna be mad, seriously. I'm gonna be dead sick mad, okay? Other than the golden shiner minnow, I'm mad. Okay, I got this finally, dude. Oh my god, my throat is paining actually. Okay, will he pass me? LOL. Bro, I like saying that, dude. Red lines for your face. We won't have a truce, never ever. Shall we have a truce actually? Okay. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Are you seriously sure about that? No, no. Oh. Accidentally did that, dude. Okay. Okay. Maybe I'll win, maybe I'll lose. I'm maybe not a legendary player. Maybe a trash player. But I don't either. Yeah, I'm way better than this guy, right? Bro, when I want these things, they won't come. When I don't want it, they come. I'm raging so bad. He's in the winning area. Like, what in the world? Okay, I hate this freaking thing. Oh my god. My throat is kind of sore because of screaming and screaming. Finally! Bro, my throat is literally like aching. Bro, my throat is kind of like aching, dude. Yeah, anyways, I'm winning, dude. Can you please shut up? Oh, unlucky. Maybe I leaky. Okay, maybe I don't. Two things on the same area. Nobody thinks of that. Including me. But who am I? Xander. Oh, I know Xander. Because I don't even know him. I'm gonna fish with this guy 1 minute. You, are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Seriously, dude, I'm not sure. Because I don't like it. I don't like it. You need a spike. You need one spike. That's me. I'm doing nothing to the bed. Maybe I have nothing. Wait, I do not have nothing. That is so good. Oh my god, I got nothing. Are you sure about that? I got nothing. Are you sure about that? I got nothing. Are you sure about that? Okay. One more duo. Maybe a duo. One more duo. Duo. Yeah. That's what I call an AK-47 with legs. Alright. Oh my. Okay, I don't really like her. Wait, I don't like her. Or rather he. Who is that? He's so close to my winning points. But he's not winning. Okay, maybe he is winning. My fish. Alligator guy. Wow. How in the world did I get the alligator guy? It's kind of an alligator, so I don't know. 7:14. A peacock gas. I'm in trash. I'm in bad. Yes, but yes, it hurt. Okay, I'm losing anyway, so I should not be losing anyway. But I am. I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna cry. Bro, I keep getting new fish, which I don't have. Or which maybe I have. I clearly lost. I hate to look at this dumb pig. Alligator. I knew there was a new fish. Oh, this looks cool. I want the alligator guy, Winnie and Afa. I like this dude. Okay, that's it for today, guys. If I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'll do a test reveal. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.